Hello friends, this is Shuprio. Welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Hi friends, today I caught hold of a very beautiful sight. Actually, two little birds have taken shelter on under the sunshade of my window. They are outside. It is raining a bit, so they have found a very protected place over here. Very quietly I am taking their video. They are sitting quietly. I'll pan to show you. It is raining outside. Okay, let them enjoy their time.